yeah, get into this invisible part. Hey Naturalistas, today we're going to be doing a crochet hairstyle featuring YWigs. Thank you for sending this over. Y'all, I have 100% human hair, loose deep wave, 20 inches. So let's get into it. Today's hairstyle will be installed with a regular crochet latch hook. I separated probably about a third of the bundle over the table here to get started. I always work my crochet from the back towards the front, and honestly doing the back was pretty simple. I'm showing you the thread piece because that is the focus when you are actually latching the hair onto that hook there. You hook it right in the middle of that thread, pull it straight through as if you would with a normal crochet. I will say the install was much easier because I was able to find that hole quickly. I didn't really have any extra pieces of hair in the way, or the thickness didn't bother me because it is thin with that thread at the exact location that you honestly need it. I moved rather quickly through the back. The front and the illusion, that took some time, but it was worth it. And I did not necessarily stack each crochet piece on top of each other. I did give it a little bit of space within the cornrow, because in the back when the hair falls down, you really can't see the gaps or anything like that, and this hair is pretty thick, so it flows pretty well. Now let's go ahead and get into the front. Okay, y'all, so we got the first one through for the illusion, and the illusion is that it's coming out of my scalp. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your crochet hook through diagonally straight to the front. Okay, straight to the front. You're going to hook on your crochet, right? Close that needle up, y'all. Pull it through, unlatch. Now we're going to pull one side through, right? So now this one's left hanging like that. So now what I'm going to do is pull this back, straight back. So we got her in there, right? And now we are going to hook her again. Hook the hair, clasp, pull it through. Okay, so now we are here. You see, you can move it a little bit, and then we're going to come over. Push the hook through, y'all. Get the hair in the loop. Make sure I can see. I'm working blind, y'all, working blind. That's okay, though. Hook that in, pull it through. Now, if you want to secure it a little more, you can by coming to your back here. The more you crisscross applesauce, the more these front pieces will be secure all in all. But I honestly want mine to be a little loose because I don't want to have too much tension on my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest all over. But just to show you again, we're going to finish this all the way over, and then we're going to come back here and do another illusion concept. Because why not? So this is what it looks like. Do the normal crochet method, which is just pulling it straight through one time. As you can see, you can barely see any bulkiness at the root, which I love. You just have to know how to blend. So this is, you know, learning that illusion trick was not easy. It was a bit of a learning curve because the person that I watched do it did it with regular crochet hair, and with it being thin at the root, you really don't have to do too much, honestly. So on this first piece, y'all gonna see me doing too much, but essentially you're gonna pull it through, create a loop, and you're only gonna pull one piece through twice, back and forth in the same area, and then pull it tight as if you're tying a shoelace and securing the bow. And that was my discovery, y'all. Now, right now what I'm showing you is the regular method. Just pull it through, create a loop once, and boom, there you have it. So we did that on majority of the parts. Mainly I'm doing the side part, so I focused on doing the illusion on those two cornrows that pretty much separated the hair where I wanted my side part to be. I highly suggest this hair, y'all, especially if you love crochet. And the reason being is because you can reuse it. You can take it out, wash it, reuse it. And I can tell you now, from having the hair in for a week, that the takedown is really simple. Like, I've taken out pieces to place them in other spots to fulfill that part more, and it was seamless. So I can't wait until y'all see the end so y'all can see the other magic of the hair. So here we go with the illusion. I don't know if you can see it right now as far as the layout. Let me get into the technique. So as you can see, I created a loop, and I'm gonna pull one piece of hair through that loop, tie a knot, and throw it over. Y'all, that is it. That's what I meant by I was over complicating it. And when I discovered this accidentally, I was like, yeah, this is it. So check the link below if you're interested in the hair. I definitely rated a 10 out of 10. The installation was simple. Wearing the hair is simple. And the takedown is going to be simple. Let me know if y'all want a video on that as well. Y'all, I absolutely love my hair. And it's different. Normally, I don't like different. But this different, I like. And it's growing on me more and more. I'm looking forward to getting up in the morning and just taking off the bonnet, because I wore this hair for a whole day, as well as this makeup. I think I put this makeup on a little over 12 hours ago. And this was my first day wearing the hair, and I love it. Like, huh? Baby, you can't tell me this ain't no sewing. It's giving sewing, even though it's a crochet. Okay? Y'all be sure to follow and subscribe for more natural hair related content. And I'll check y'all later.